In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets 5 minutes. Before we jump in, make sure you're signed into a Trello account that has permission to manage power-ups on the board you want to sync, and that you can access a Google account for the connection. That's all you need. Start by logging into Trello. Once you're in, open the board you want to sync. It can be any board, personal or workspace, as long as you can view its cards and lists. If you're working with a shared board, confirm you have edit access. Otherwise, you may not be able to install or configure the power-up. In the board, look to the upper right corner and click the 3 dots to open the board menu. This expands the tools you'll use to connect external services. From that menu, choose Power-ups. Power-ups are Trello's add-ons that extend a board's capabilities, and they're the official place to connect to Google Sheets. Note that on some free plans, you may be limited in how many power-ups you can add per board. In the Power-ups directory, use the search bar to type Google Sheets. When you see the Google Sheets power-up, click Add. Trello will attach it to your board and show you options to configure it. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up the sync. You'll be asked to connect your Google account. This is required so Trello can create or update rows in your spreadsheet. Grant only the requested permissions, and if your organization manages accounts, you might need admin approval. After connecting, choose the spreadsheet you want to use. You can select an existing file or allow the integration to create a new one. If you select an existing spreadsheet, pick the specific sheet tab you want to populate so columns line up as expected. Now map your Trello fields to spreadsheet columns. Common choices include card name, description, list, labels, due date, members, and URL. Keep column headers clear and unique, and avoid merged cells. Those can break a sync. If you already have headers, align each Trello field to a matching column. If not, let the setup create them automatically. When you're done mapping, save your configuration. The initial sync may take a moment. You'll see rows appear for your cards, and new changes in Trello will flow into the sheet based on the settings you chose. If something doesn't look right, reopen the power-up settings and adjust the field mappings. That's it. You've connected your Trello board to Google Sheets and set up a clean, reliable sync.